A very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing about types of room. Myself Dinesh Kumar from Hotel Management Department, RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. If we talk about types of room, one of the most important knowledge that a salesman should have is the product knowledge, and similar it is very important that all those involved in selling booking of rooms have full comprehensive knowledge of the room which they are trying to sell and their availability and non-availability position. They should know what are the various types of room, their location and also features of the room, etc., and also knowledge of room rates and plan which the hotels is operating on. It's important. If we talk about first type, the first type of room is single room. The terms refers to a room with standard single bed to provide sleeping accommodation to one person. The size of the bed is generally 6 feet to 3 feet. The room furnishing and fixtures as well as amenities and facilities would depends upon the standards of the hotel. The rooms generally has a sofa, chair and two persons, a study tables and wardrobe, etc. And this is the pictures of single room. If we talk about double room, double room refers to a room which has double bed and provides sleeping comforts for two persons. A double bed is a large bed. The size of a double bed is generally 6 by 6. This is the image of double room which having a double bed. Twin bedded room. Twin bedded room is a room with two identical twin bed separating out by a small beside table. The room providing sleeping accommodations for two persons, and this is the image of twin room. And if we talk about Hollywood twin room, the room has two single bed and single headboard. The room is meant for two guests. This is the picture of Hollywood twin room. And lanai, the terms generally used for hotels which are situated on the hill stations. A room has a good view, example river, sea facing, mountain facing, garden facing, or overlooking a swimming pool. This room is slightly more expensive than the double or twin room. This is the image of lanai rooms. Parlor. If we talk about parlor room, a living or sitting rooms not used for bedroom, also called as saloon. This is the picture of saloon room. And if we talk about efficiency room, a complete self-sufficient unit in itself and contains a bedroom, dining room, small kitchens and bathrooms. For example, cottage on hill stations and beaches. This is the image of the efficiency room. And if we talk about OT room, it means a room which is one can see a lobby and the roof of the top floor. And this is the image of the room. Studio room, it is usually similar in the size and consists a sofa cum bed, can be either for one or two persons. The sofa can be used for sitting purpose during the day and for sleeping during the night. This is the image of the studio room. And if we talk about cabana room, these rooms are situated away from main buildings and very close to swimming pool, and normally used by the peoples who loves water game and are fond of swimming. It lift may or may not be used for staying purpose. Some hotels use only changing purpose, usually furnishing and polishing. Woodens does not have a carpet, so it does not get spoiled with water. This is the image of cabana room. Sample. A sample room is usually only a show prospective client for business promotions and not used for sleeping purpose. Hospitality room. A room used for entertaining, can also called function room. This room is not used for sleeping purpose. Interconnecting rooms. These rooms which are connected to each others, they have a common wall and a door in the common walls goes from one room to another. They can be used for family and opening the connecting doors, as well as can give the two separate individuals and closely to a common door. This is the image of interconnecting room. Tripler room. These rooms offer sleeping accommodation facility of 3 persons. They either have double bed or twin beds and etc. bed in it. This is the image of triple room. If we talk about suite, it refers to a set of 2 rooms, out of which one of the bed and another is sitting or living room. Suite is closely a room of a hotel. There are various type of suite, such as this is the image of the hotel suite rooms. Single suites, it is a single rooms with the sitting rooms attached to it and meant for the one person sleeping comfort. This is double suite room, double room with a sitting room attached on it. And this is the image junior suites, a large room with portions separating the bedroom and furnishing the sitting area. Duplex suite. This types of suite has 2 rooms and 2 sensitive floor and connecting to each others with a common staircase. Generally, the sittings of the living rooms is situated on the floor, and while the bedrooms is the next floor. So thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.